Hello friends, so today we will see how we can sign up on MyBizStore.net. So for that you can open any browser like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer or Edge and go to www.mybizstore.net and in order to sign up, either you can click on this option which is customer login, or you can click on this big button which is create my biz card now. When you click on any of these options, it will take you to a customer login page. Here if you are visiting it for the first time, click on new user, create an account, enter your name, first name and last name, then enter your email address. It should be a valid one where you will receive a verification. Your mobile number and the password which you want to keep. Should be a secured one, and click on the button create account. And that's it. You are signed up with MyBizStore.net. Hello friends, today we will see how you will create your first digital visiting card. So as soon as you log in, you'll see that currently we are running an offer and there's a button to create your card here. If there's no offer running, you can see this button on the top left side where you can click on this button, create new card, to start making your first digital visiting card. First step in making your digital visiting card is entering your business name, which will be displayed on the top of your digital visiting card. Enter your name and click on Submit and Next. On the screen, choose the design which you prefer for your card and it will take you to the next screen. On the screen, choose your logo and ensure that it should be square in size, which is 1:1 ratio, and should not be more than 250 kilobytes. Enter your first name, last name, your designation in the company, your phone number, an additional phone number, enter your WhatsApp number and physical address. Also do provide your email ID and website information. Ensure that all this information is correct because it will be displayed on your digital visiting cards for your customers to reach out to you. In location field, you need to ensure that you enter the Google Map location. How you will find that? You need to go to maps.google.com. Search for your business. I'm searching for one of my businesses. Okay, and it comes up here. So what I need to do is I need to copy this entire URL which is for Google My Business. Copy this, come here and put it in location. How it's going to help is on your digital visiting card, when somebody clicks on the location, it will open Google Maps and bring your customers to your physical store. In company's established date, you can enter the year which your company is running from. So you might have seen, right, in some of the shops written as established from or established since. In About Us section, enter the introduction about your company. This should be a powerful page for your prospects. Hi friends, on this screen you will see all social link options. Social media is a good way to promote your brand free, and we're gonna fill all this information. So this is how a filled up page looks like. I've entered my Facebook address, Twitter is not where my audience is. Instagram works really well. Because my product is B2C, I'm not using LinkedIn. I've entered the YouTube link, and I've given all my 5 YouTube video URLs as it's a good source for promotion. As you're done filling this information, click on the next button to go to the payments page. This page is basically to provide all your payment options to your prospective customers so that if they are interested in any of your products, they can pay you immediately. So you can enter your PayTM number, Google Pay number, Phone Pay number, and provide your bank details. You can also upload your QR codes for PayTM, Google Pay, and Phone Pay so that customer can just scan and pay easily. Now we will see how you will generate the QR code for PayTM app. To begin with, click on the PayTM icon on your phone and you'll reach on your home screen. In order to get the QR code, click on this option on the top left where it shows the initials of your name. Okay. You will see this screen. On this, in order to get QR code, you need to select business, and the first option you will see is view QR. Click on this one and your QR code will be shown. To download and save it on your phone, click on download and print QR and it will show you the QR code. In order to save this image to your phone, click on these 3 dots and click on copy to. Now you can select the folder where you want to save the image. I'll be selecting screenshot and this image will be saved. Now you can take this image and upload it in mybizstore.net. Now we will see how you will get the QR code for Google Pay for Business. To begin with, click on Google Pay for Business and on the home screen you will see the first option as QR code. And here you will see the Google Pay for Business QR code and it gives you the option to save. When you click on save, it will ask permission to save image to your device. You allow and it will give you QR code saved and give you an option to open. So the image is saved on your computer. Now you can take this and upload it on mybizstore.net. Now we will see how you will get the QR code for your Phone Pay. To begin with, click on Phone Pay and click on this top left your icon, profile icon. And the first option you will see is My QR Code. Click on this and I have 4 accounts connected with PhonePe. As you can see, it will give me option for 4 QR codes. You can select anyone where you want to receive the money and click on download. QR code successfully saved in your downloads folder. So the image is available in your downloads folder. You can upload the same on mybizstore.net. This is how a filled payment option screen looks like. I have provided my PayTM, Google Pay and Phone Pay number and filled in my bank details, and I have my QR codes ready as shown previously. I'm gonna upload my PayTM QR code now. Okay, and QR code. So I have a QR code for PayTM, and then I've got QR code for Google Pay, and now I have QR code for Phone Pay. Okay. Yes. When we are done filling with all this information, click on next. This is the products and services screen. Here you can upload up to 10 images which describes your products and services. This is how a complete page looks like, and on the right side you'll see how it reflects on the digital visiting card. When you're done entering the products and services, click Next on this page. It's going to give you a confirmation whether you want to re-upload or change any images or want to move on to next screen. So select Next here. And you're going to reach on e-commerce page. On this page, you can list up to 20 products and you can run some offers on them. Let's say you can showcase a product, show that that's priced for like MRP is 1000 rupees on it, but currently you're offering for, let's say, 700 rupees or 600 rupees. This is how a filled page looks like. You can list up to 20 products. And on the right side, you will notice how it looks on My Digital Visiting Card. When you're done, click on Add Product. It'll give you a warning or a message that whether you want to re-edit the products or want to move on to the next page. So we'll click on Next for now. And now you will reach on Image Gallery screen. Here also you can upload up to 10 product images. Now the difference between Image Gallery and products and services is there is no call to action button. You are not gonna get any product inquiries from this section. This is purely to just showcase or put your images in front of your customer so that you can lure them or attract them for your products and services. So you can upload up to 10 product images here. This is how a filled image gallery page looks like. And on the right side, you will see how it looks on My Digital Visiting Card. And when you are done, click on Complete and Preview. Now again, it gives you a confirmation whether you want to make changes or re-upload images, or you want to go to next page to preview your digital visiting card. And when you click on this button, you will actually see your card, your digital visiting card.